फेसबुक पे आपके प्रेजेंटेशन पर बड़ा अच्छा कमेंट्स है। इट इज वेरी यूजफुल एंड इंफॉर्मेटिव बाय सुधींद्र जी एंड उमा जी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सो मच।
सर।
एक्चुअली हम लोग और एक चीज बोलना चाहता है, जो क्वेरीज आता है, हाँ, ये सेशन के बाद भी हम लोग का ईमेल आईडीज में जो क्वेरीज आता है ना, हम लोग उसमें से काफी चीज लर्निंग कर रहे हैं व्हेन वी आर रिप्लाइंग टू दोस क्वेरीज। वी थैंक ईच एंड एवरीवन हु इज आस्किंग अस द क्वेरी, क्योंकि सर्टेन क्वेरीज को क्या होता है, हम लोग को ये टाइम में वी माइट नॉट नो द आंसर, सो हम लोग देख के, बाइला देख के, लॉ मीन द एमसीएस एक्ट देख के फिर हम लोग उसको स्टडी करके रिप्लाई दे रहे हैं। एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर गिविंग अस द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गेट इनटू द सब्जेक्ट एंड गेट मोर क्लैरिफिकेशन फॉर आवरसेल्व्स एंड फॉर द पीपल वी सर्व।
थैंक यू। ऐसा है उमा जी कि प्रभु सर का मानना है और हम लोगों का मानना है, जितने जितने नॉलेज शेयरिंग हम लोग करेंगे एक दूसरे से तो हम लोग एक्सपर्ट बनेंगे, जितना नॉलेज एक दूसरे को।
परफेक्ट बोला सर आपने।
यस सर। तो प्रभु सर का तो मानना है, प्रभु सर अपने सब लोगों को लेके आते साथ में, वो भले से कंपेटिटर को क्यों नहीं हो। तो नॉलेज, जिनके पास नॉलेज होगा वही इस फील्ड में आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे, और नॉलेज शेयरिंग करना एक अच्छी चीज, अच्छी आदत है।
सर हमको मेंटर किया है प्रभु सर ने।
एग्जैक्टली सर। उसके वजह से हम लोग इतना नॉलेज गेन भी हुआ एंड वी लॉयर्स भी बन गए हैं। अभी वी आर ओपन टू सर्व द पीपल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र। और स्पेशल थैंक्स टू प्रभु सर एंड सुनील जी, आपके लिए स्पेशल थैंक्स है जो मीडिया के थ्रू हम लोग का नॉलेज बांटने का एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया गया है आपने। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
यस अभी आप दो शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन से, क्वेरीज का, क्वेश्चन आंसर का। तो मिस्टर हेमंत का सवाल देख रही हैं आप उमा जी? मिस्टर हेमंत ने सवाल किया है।
हाँ, मेंबर डाइड अबाउट 12 years ago intestate. At the time of flat was transferred to the nominee, that is one of the sibling, without undertaking any procedure. The share certificate also at that time shows the name of the single sibling. The transfer was done without any mention in any minute, any resolution passed by them. Also, there was no paperwork done by then secretary, such as filling up requisite form or collection of membership fees. Basically, there was nothing done. So he is telling that 12 साल के पहले एक ट्रांसफर हुआ गया है, like without any paperwork and the transfer किया गया है. So question क्या है सर आपका?
Single sibling now need the NOC from present secretary. आप देखिए सेकंड में उन्होंने
single sibling now need NOC from the present secretary for sale of flat. The secretary has told that the said flat in question does not belong to you as there is no paperwork done. Sibling says that here is the share certificate, so I am the owner. Hence, issue the share certificate. The earlier secretary was called to check on what basis this was done, and he said that he was not aware of such rule and left it to us to resolve. The bylaw clearly says, in case of society office is और भी लिखा है, unable to seek advice. Hence, please help how to rectify this. Is what he is asking. Please help. Also, you can let us how to remove associate member name from the share certificate due to death. Okay, the first question is they are asking is the process of transfer has not taken place with the proper paperwork, and now that person is want the NOC for the sale of flat. So what is the procedure is what he is asking.
ओके सर ना मैम, आई मीन जैसे मुझे समझ में आ गया है, ये तो मतलब लोग जो भी थे सोसाइटी में, मतलब मैनेजमेंट कमेटी में, वो लोगों को मालूम है क्या प्रोसेस है।
Right.
तो एक ही मतलब सिबलिंग एक ही है, मतलब एक ही लड़का था, लड़की जो भी है, बच्चे थे, तो उनका नाम पे ट्रांसफर किया गया है विदाउट चेकिंग वेदर आर देयर एनी लीगल हेयर्स, लाइक उसका वाइफ के बारे में मालूम नहीं है, मतलब मेंबर में अगर मेल समझता हूँ तो उसका वाइफ भी होना चाहिए, और सिंगल सिबलिंग बोला है, मतलब नो ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स आर देयर, बट आर देयर एनी अदर क्लाइमेंट्स अदर देन the wife and the son. We don't know though.
Yeah.
So the society has to ask for a succession certificate.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And society, even now, they can put a newspaper ad, in my opinion, and check if there are any claimant. And with the single sibling, when the single person, single hire, he can bring bring all the papers whichever is required. Like he can give the indemnity, and he can also bring the succession certificate or the hireship certificate, and he can rectify the paperwork and get it done. This is the way the current committee is safeguarded in giving the NOC for this person.
So the stand taken by the committee is applaudable because appreciable. वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि मतलब एनओसी हम नहीं दे सकते क्योंकि वो टाइम पे पेपर वर्क नहीं किया गया है, अभी हम करेंगे तो our suggestion is that they have to follow the procedure as explained by ma'am in the earlier session as well as now, that they have to first go in for advertisement, then paper advertisement. If there are any claims, any objections, for the transfer of property properly now, and also they have to really safeguard by asking for a succession certificate or a heirship certificate. Though
Right.
society is aware that there is only one son or one daughter, that is only one एक ही child है, but even in that case, the due process has got to be processed. Followed. There is no shortcut to it. हम ये नहीं समझना चाहिए कि हमें मालूम है एक ही लड़का तो है, उनके नाम पे ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. तो even in that case, the proper the documentation has got to be followed as specified in the bylaws and the act.
Yes.
Hope we have answered up to the satisfaction of the member. And sir, if you have any query on this, please email to us. I'll give you the email ID. We can further get into the case and advise you what is the further process. Next is
yes, Mr. Vivek का सवाल है, please can you also let us how to remove associate member name from sale certificate due to date?
Okay, in the first place, our question is the associate member a joint holder, joint member or not? So, he or she can be a joint member or or not a joint member. In the case of only associate member, not being the part of the agreement, then it is very easy. Submit the death certificate and declare that person is deceased. So ask them to remove. It will be considered in the MC meeting and it will be removed. In case the person is a joint holder, the process of the nominee, non-nominee, everything will come into the place. So now we need to address whether the person is a joint holder or not a joint holder.
Yeah, just to say further, like ground rule हमने जो बताया है, जिसने गया है उसका share of the property can be transferred, right? No associate member, because there is a change in the bylaw. 2014 में जो 14 तक जो है एसोसिएट मेंबर कोई भी हो सकते हैं. ओके, जैसा कि प्राइमरी मेंबर जो है किसी को भी एसोसिएट मेंबर बना. अभी 2014 में क्लियर किया गया है जिसका नाम जो फर्स्ट नेम नहीं है वो एसोसिएट मेंबर बन सकते हैं. अभी 2019 अमेंडमेंट में नाउ दे हैव क्लैरिफाइड फर्दर, ओके, दैट इज अ जॉइंट होल्डर एंड द एसोसिएट होल्डर. एसोसिएट होल्डर need not be in the property name, उसका नाम नहीं है, वो associate member हो सकता है. और the joint holder should be the one who is there, whose name is there in the agreement. Now आपको question जो है associate member आपने बताया है, so this is जैसे कि मैम बोल रही है, now is that associate member का नाम property document sale deed में उसका नाम है, then it cannot be removed because he is the property owner. जैसे कि मैम बोल रही है, अगर वो एसोसिएट मेंबर है, मतलब जिसने प्राइमरी मेंबर ने वो एक फॉर्म लिख के ये एसोसिएट मेंबर बना दो, मतलब उनका नाम अगर सेल डीड में नहीं है तो वो हटवा सकता है. दैट्स व्हाट मैम इज सेइंग.
Okay, the next question is, can a nominee who has admitted as a provisional member appoint a nominee? Can he apply for appointing his close relative as an associate member? In the first place, when the nomination has been processed and he become the provisional member, he cannot further appoint a nominee because he is not now the member. He's only the provisional member. He doesn't have a rights to do it. Now, can he appoint the associate member? I don't think so. But still, we will refer. To our knowledge, he cannot appoint anybody as associate member or a nominee. Only if he becomes the holder of the flat, then in that case he can appoint.
So further to clarify what ma'am has said, that nominee, as is a provisional member, he is only a caretaker and trustee. Trustee has got no rights of appointing another nominee or even appointing an associate member. He is only trustee, caretaker. It's a transient position. Matlab till the time real claimant comes and then claims the property rights, वो टाइम तक वो देखभाल करने के लिए ये नॉमिनी होता है. So nominee member, or there's a who's a provisional member as per the new amendment now 2019 is called a provisional member. So उसका कुछ rights नहीं है. Yes, go ahead.
Okay, the next question is, in case of joint flat, if husband died, then it should automatically transfer to wife name, but society is asking court order. We have already clarified in the session, when a person dies, there is nothing called automatic transfer. The bylaw is also very clear. So I think our session would have answered everything for the person whoever is asking this query.
It cannot be transferred automatically because जिसने गया है, जिसने गुजर गया है, उसका शेयर ट्रांसफर होता है बेस्ड ऑन द नॉमिनेशन और अ विल विच इज अ प्रोबेट, मतलब प्रोबेट करने के बाद, और सक्सेशन सर्टिफिकेट or a gift deed, whatever is that basis which only it can be transferred. Now the person who is already there, उसका शेयर वैसे के वैसे रहेगा, जो गुजर गया है उसका प्रॉपर्टी ट्रांसफर नहीं हो सकता. It has to be, I mean, the legal process has to be followed.
Can nominee be elected as chairman, secretary, and managing committee? Your views, please. No. Nominee cannot be elected as a chairman or the secretary. No, he cannot. What happens if a flat where the death of the member instead, none of the heirs or even the nominee have come forward? How long the society of it need to wait for anyone to approach? We have already addressed this question, in fact, in the session.
The last,
the last one, you can wait up to 6 months. What happened to such property? We have already addressed. What steps the society of it need to take? We have already addressed. Assume all steps are taken, and today, since last 8 years, there is no claimant. What steps? Sir, this also we have addressed in this session, that please write to the registrar and take the steps which he is telling, and the society has the rights to decide on it, but there are certain procedure to it. Please contact the registrar with all the details. Please send a WhatsApp number for our webinar invitation. Sunil Sharma ji, aapke liye succession certificate cost 2 lakh. Somebody is writing. Please send the PPT. Somebody is writing. Whether the share certificate name of the nominee can be endorsed as nominee, provisional member. Whether maintenance will can be made in the name of the nominee after is enrolled as provisional member, or nominee forms to be given to each member if it is a revised nomination. Okay, once the provisional member is enrolled, he is only the provisional member, he doesn't have any rights on the flat. Yes, in the share certificate, the name will come in the bracket, they will put as a provisional member. Yes, the bill can be raised. Once again, the name provisional member should be added to the name. Till that time, the legal and the right person comes and claim, and he is admitted as a member, he is only the provisional member. And the nomination form given to each member, revised nomination. See, that's what we, the nomination form, first time it is free. From the second time, the society will be charging 100 rupees as the nominal, as the revised in the nomination nominee. A person is making mother as a nominee, and now he is married, and if he wants to make his wife as a nominee, then he has to just given a letter in writing taking that revoke the earlier nomination, and I want to put my wife's name as nominee. I am giving an example. In that case, 100 rupees fee has to be paid to the CHS.
So there is no limit in terms of filing the revised nomination forms, right?
No.
Yeah. The first is
Please share.
next
He's
one.
telling, it's my kind request. Anybody who wants this PPT, please send us a mail, because we are not able to note down during the session. Send us a mail or WhatsApp to me. I can send it. We have no issues in sharing this. What is the duration should committee member approve the nomination form given by Alive Society? I don't know, Alive Society member. I think a member is alive and they have submitted the nomination form in triplicate. Okay, it goes like that. In आगे वाले सेशन में भी हम लोग nomination के बारे में अलग से बताएंगे कैसा वो किया जाता है. I'll just give you the brief. 3 sets of nomination forms should be given to the society. The first copy will be acknowledged immediately and given to the member, and the balance 2 copies should be retained to him. In the upcoming committee meeting, he has to endorse it, and the secretary and chairman or the chairman should sign it, put the date, and record it in the minutes of the meeting, and give the second copy to the member endorsing that the nomination has been entered, and in the nomination book it should be entered that this person has given the nomination form. So as per the process, the monthly meeting should be conducted once in a month. So maximum in a month you should get it. But now due to this pandemic, I don't know how often they are meeting, that too they are meeting personally, and whether they are processing. So you need to check with your society when the next managing committee meeting is there. But this is the normal process. If they are meeting through Zoom call or whatever web call, then you need to ask them how they are going to process. Okay, he's telling too much time already sent, already 1.5 months nomination form on 21st September. I think we have addressed this.
Yeah, see, why ma'am has said 1 month, because as per the bylaw number, I don't remember, it's like 12 management committee meetings should have happened in a year. So if you logically see it, once a month is the every management committee meeting should happen. So considering once a month it will happen, so 30 days time ma'am ne bola hai. Now considering the pandemic situation and the social distancing and virtual meetings, right? So there may be delay. Okay. Yes, I mean the concerned members, there's no nothing to panic about it. Yeah, need to check with the management committee as to why there has been a delay, and they can write into the management committee asking like why there has been a delay. So management committee is bound to reply within 15 days, giving reason why they are taking longer time than what it is.
If managing committee has taken legal opinion in the case were not satisfied with the documents provided by hire, who bears the legal advice charges, society or the claimant member?
It should be this because it's the society, right?
Right, it's a society.
They have
the society has actually taken for the advice, legal advice, whether the papers are proper or not. So in that case, the society should bear the cost. Expense for probate approximately, please contact your advocate. He will guide you. He or she will guide you. As per Indian Christian law, I was given to understand that will does not need to be probated. So there you have any idea on this Christian law? So sir, whoever has given this query, you can send us a mail. We need to go and check back the Christian law, what it says, because offhand we are not aware of the reply.
See, please understand, will is something is written and it comes into life only after the death of the member. Okay, whosoever has written, right? उसको जीवित रखना है तो वो कोर्ट के सिवा कोई नहीं कर सकते. If that being the case, anybody can say that yeah, I have a will written by my father.
But Sudhir, he is mentioning one law, so we really
Christian
don't
law.
go. Yeah,
No,
we
I'm saying like the why it is made. Probate करना क्यों जरूरत है?
हाँ, right.
So without court intervention, it becomes मतलब I mean anybody can just say that yeah, it's a will written by my father, right? But who can authenticate? It's really written when he was alive.
Right.
So that's how the process of probate is so important, and legally it is so important. If one particular Christian Act ये बोल रहा है तो हमको देखना है. We are not
Yeah.
sure about it.
Yeah. Does will supersede legal hire? He is asking. Whatever is written in the will supersedes. It's not, the question is supersede the legal hire. The question itself, we don't know what you are trying to ask. You can ask once again.
Okay,
And,
legal hire, for example, there are 3 legal hires. Will में लिखा है number 1 के ऊपर. The property goes to number 1 because will supersedes, the hierarchy of legal heirs. अगर 1 2 3 है, 3 children है, third child के ऊपर वो will लिखा है already. Though the rest of the 2 are legal heirs, but the property owner जो है third child के ऊपर already will लिखाया है. The property will be transferred to third. That's how ma'am said, like it supersedes.
right. And there are a couple of appreciation for Sunil sir and for Ragas. And thank you everyone for giving us an encouragement,
उमा जी,
imparting our knowledge to you.
उमा जी, सुधींद्र जी, आपसे दोनों से रिक्वेस्ट है, आपके नंबर्स और मेल आईडी आप शेयर कर दें चैट बॉक्स में.
We are doing.
Yes.
We are doing it, sir. We are doing it. At the end of that thing, I will do. Can MC take decision to transfer the share certificate from primary member to associate member upon death of the primary member? Alternatively, whether name of the secondary member be deleted upon death of the primary member is still alive. See,
What's
the
the
process of transfer. Yes, sir. You asked something.
No, I'm asking. What's the question? I was not clear.
Okay,
So now,
I'm repeating the question. I was little fast. I was little fast in reading. I'll read it slowly for the benefit of everybody. Can MC take decision to transfer the share certificate from primary member to associate member upon the death of primary member? Okay.
This is the address already. It can't be done.
Yeah. Alternatively, whether name of secondary member be deleted upon death as a primary member is still alive. Once again, we are asking you whether the associate member is a joint holder or not. If it is a joint holder, we have already explained the process. If it is only the associate member with the death certificate copy, they can do it. And gift deed, yeah.
First question is MC cannot transfer into the associate member in any case. With the death of the primary member, it cannot be. MC cannot take a decision of transferring it in the name of associate.
Right.
That's clarified.
Right.
Yeah.
See, in this case, MC doesn't have any role to play. They can only process all the papers, whichever is they have got it. So MC roles come after receipt of the valid documents. MC खुद को कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. They can't do anything, right?
Yeah, finally, the members, they are the owners of the property, right? वो, क्या कैसे transfer करना है? So that they have to decide, the owners. Now, association or the society जो है, it's just an administrative office which is set up to safeguard the interest of each and every member. Now, the MC management committee, because it just follows the principles of democracy, right? Now, people, all the members, they choose their own, representatives. It's like management committee is chosen by the members only. Till the time they are chosen, they are also normal members. They also have a flat or a shop, and then they are the owners, and then they also stand in the elections, and then they get elected. And that's how the managing committee is formed. Managing committee is formed to only safeguard the interest of each and every member. They don't have any decisions. Yeah, they have rights to conduct the meeting, receive the applications, go through it. If any objections are there, just send it back to the, coordinate with the member, fulfill the requirements, then process it as laid down. The process laid down in the bylaws, of the MCS Act. So that's their job.
Yeah. Next, somebody is asking. I don't get the name. Deepak Mane. Gift deed is done with the registrar. Do you have to give a copy of gift deed with notary or self attestation is enough?
Gift deed, last session में हमने cover किया गया है. It has to be registered, okay? And yes.
Yeah, when they give a copy, it is to be notarized, sir. Yeah,
see, any copy need to be notarized, attested, basically attested.
Because anyway, the original copy you are going to keep it.
Yeah, if somebody needs a copy of it for any whatever reasons, it can be attested by the notary public. Okay, that's the authentic proof or conclusive proof that it is a copy. Yeah, so the notary public will certify that it's a authenticated copy.
Yeah, I have given my email ID and both of our numbers. Members can make a note of it, whoever are participating in this webinar. Okay.
And we really want, I mean, we really invite, right? I mean, see, now we really acknowledge, people who are asking questions live on the call, as well as, post the call. Okay, people are sending the mails and then, messages, and yeah, we really acknowledge them.
Gift deed, even if self-acquired property is mentioned, then to do we have? Matlab, I think he's asking what to do. If the only claimant staying abroad requests the society to sell and transfer monies, assume it's done. And what about the taxes, TDS, etc.? Any light can be thrown on this here. See, we told that if a claimant is asking for the money, he is a bona fide claimant, and he is asking for the monies regarding the TDS part and taxes. Please contact your chartered accountant. If there is any chartered accountant, they can give their numbers here so that person can call and take the services of the chartered accountant. So who are all the chartered accountants can support this person, can give the number along with your email IDs.
But the ground rule, ma'am, जैसे आपने बताया है कि I mean all the related expenses will be deducted from the proceeds and the balance will be transferred. So
correct.
You have said it, but whether it is applicable or not, that we are not, we are not
exactly. We are not.
We
the
don't
right
have any
person.
authority on the taxation point of view.
Right.
We are lawyers.
Right.
I think what ma'am is suggesting, yeah, chartered accountant can be consulted, but he is an expert in that.
Sir, is succession certificate applicable for movable or immovable property? Please clarify.
Yes, succession certificate as you see it now. See, we have used the word like heirship certificate and succession certificate. So heirship certificate certifies, who are the legal heirs. It can be given by a tahsildar. I mean, the heirship certificate it can be given by a collector. But when the succession certificate is required, when the property has to be heredited from a father to son, then the succession certificate is a conclusive proof which is given by the court. Okay. So now the question, what is the question, ma'am? I forgot the question. What is the question? I just differentiated between the
succession certificate applicable for movable or immovable property. Please clarify.
Yeah, it's more applicable for immovable property because it's like a movable, immovable. But more important thing is the heredit. मतलब heredit कैसे transfer करते हैं? Okay, heredit कैसे करते हैं आप? तो उसके लिए I mean the nothing is more conclusive than a certificate given by the court. So succession certificate is applicable more for a immovable property like land and building and then flat and stuff like that.
I think I am just going through all the other questions. There are okay. I think all the questions are addressed. Forthcoming questions we have addressed everything, and people have asked for the email addresses. We have also given the phone number. We have given. Is there anybody whose question we have not answered? I think last two questions we can take it. Other questions can please be sent through the email or through the WhatsApp. We are available. Anybody else?
Yeah, Mr. Hariram Chaudhary, I think.
Yeah, Mr. Hariram.
जितेंद्र जी और उमा जी ने जो दिया, मैं मेरी सोसाइटी का चेयरमैन हूँ और आपने बहुत अच्छा नॉलेज हमको दिया है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. अभी मेरे 3 प्रश्न छोटे छोटे हैं. एक तो ये कि अगर नॉमिनी जैसे डेथ होने के बाद नॉमिनी का नाम शेयर सर्टिफिकेट पे हम एंडोर्स कर सकते हैं क्या? एज ए प्रोविजनल मेंबर, एज ए नॉमिनी हम शेयर सर्टिफिकेट में एंडोर्स कर सकते हैं क्या? ये बताइए. और दूसरी बात ये कि उसके जो मेंटेनेंस बिल है वो हम नॉमिनी नाम से बना सकते हैं क्या? ये दो मुझे प्रश्न बताइए. और तीसरी बात है कि नॉमिनी आपने कहा कि वो चेयरमैन सेक्रेटरी नहीं बन सकते, लेकिन क्या वो मैनेजिंग कमेटी में आ सकते हैं, क्या इलेक्शन में खड़े हो सकते हैं? ये 3 छोटे छोटे पॉइंट है, उनका कृपया जवाब दीजिए. आपका लेक्चर बहुत यूजफुल है, बहुत नॉलेज हमको मिला है. Thank you very much.
Sir, thank you very much for your query. We have already addressed all your query, Hariram sir. हम लोग already इसका कर चुके हैं हम लोग. We have already replied. Okay, the first one is when the nominee brings all the valid papers. If he is bringing, yes, in the share certificate, you can put his name, and in the bracket, you can put as a provisional member. Number one. Number two, yes, you can make the maintenance bill as a person's name. In the bracket, you will once again put as a provisional member. No, he cannot become the chairman or the secretary of the society.
He doesn't have voting
Can
right.
he become the managing committee member? Can he become managing committee member?
No, managing committee
No.
also is a through
No,
process of
the
elections.
provisional member has a voting right. He has a voting right, but he cannot become the chairman or the secretary.
Are you sure, ma'am? He has
Yeah,
voting right.
yeah, they have a voting. Last one question we
वंदेश
can.
अवस्थिया जी को बुलाऊंगा मैं, वंदेश जी को इनवाइट करूंगा। वंदेश जी आपका आवाज
Namaskar to everybody.
Yeah.
A small question, Umaji, and we'll come to the question straight away. Member has expired, and he has two children who were nominees, along with his wife, so who was a nominee. He was a single holder of the property, and he had three nominees, wife and two children, properly registered nominee. After the death of the person, for what period of, is there a time limit that these nominees should approach the managing committee to get them transferred as the property owner? Is there a time limit? The same 6 months is the same time limit?
See, the bylaw says it is 6 months.
What is the time for them to come forward as property owners? They are not the property owners because they are the nominees first of all. Okay. So that distinction you need to be very clear.
Documentation to the committee to come and give the documentation necessary for getting the names registered as the owners. Whatever process needs to be done. Is there a time
No, see,
limit? Because there is
not as
negligence.
just want to correct that they cannot become the owners. That's what I'm saying. Because if their names have been endorsed as nominees, so they are they are the trustees, and they have to possibly produce, not possibly they have to produce heirship
Yes,
certificate
by
and
will,
succession.
probably. By will. Maybe they have a will, but by negligence they have not approached. ये तो बाद में देंगे. So is there a time limit by which the society may get pulled up tomorrow through the registrar, or if somebody complains? Is there any problem that the society can face? Being the chairman of the society, I am asking this question, that will the society come into problem, or has the managing committee to approach this member and tell him that you are not doing it in time, your time limit is expired? Because tomorrow the question will be asked to the society. That is why the worry.
Okay, I got that. I got your question. So we have already covered. That's what Uma ma'am said. And in fact, once the member is deceased, the managing committee has to look for the membership. This nomination form, and they need to coordinate, with the nominees who are mentioned by the person who is deceased. Right? When he was alive, he would have written that. Right? Given the nomination form. Now, say if the managing committee has not done that, the approach is like 6 months time is the time which is mentioned there. Okay, if nominees are not coming forward and saying that yes, we are the nominees, and then we want to really start taking care of the property, there is no issue. The property will be in the hands of the society through that process, what a ma'am has said. Okay, it will not be in trouble or problem, but it is better for the the surviving members of the deceased member to really approach the society and make their claims.
See, sir, Vandesh sir, somebody must be paying the maintenance charges, right? See, there is no problem for the managing committee as such, but it is better if it is done within 6 months as per the bylaw. But even if the if the nominee is going to come back to after 8 months or 10 months, processing though you have to do. You cannot say no, I will not process, right?
The property cannot remain in the name of a deceased person for how long? That is my question.
Yeah, the property is still, it will be there in the name of the person who's deceased. Who's deceased till the time the claimants come forward.
Yeah.
It would be in the name of the person who's deceased.
For that, maybe after 5 years they can come and still we can do it. For 5 years, person can be holding a property. I'm just correct person's name by virtue of either the will probate or whatever hierarchy that they have got. Official documentation is available, but the processing is not being done. Standing in the name of the deceased person already years plus.
I got that. We really do not know.
It's a very subtle question, sir.
I understand. See, now it really we do not know what are the reasons why that managing committee
Exactly.
is not transferring
Huh.
in the name of the right claimant? If all the documents are there, the one thing what I could see is they may not have the required knowledge to do the transfer, right? Or they may not be just producing the relevant papers from the claimant side. So we really can't comment about it. So either the parties need to just consult a lawyer and advocate and take it through. And yeah, I mean the lawyers or advocates who are specialized in the MCS Act, they can really make a difference in this aspect.
And as a managing committee member, you should have all the records that saying that sending a letter to the person who is paying the maintenance amount as to what is the reason for which they are not submitting the papers, sir.
So that seems it's like a notice that the managing committee can give probably a reminder, and then after 3 reminders.
Exactly. The managing committee can give a reminder as to they have to submit. If you want, you can also say like it's up to 6 months. The bylaw says now you can ask them to process the paper. Okay.
See,
So
I'll tell you because even for the society, okay, उनको तो अभी maintenance मिल रहा है, कोई तो pay कर रहा है. Now in the name for the society, क्या है? Now it has to be maintained. The property has got to be maintained by XYZ. So obviously, from one of the family members are paying the maintenance, right? And they are in coordination. Now, getting the name changed, okay, they on the property document, it is this action has to be taken from the legal heirs of the deceased person. They have to come forward. I mean, if the managing committee is whatsoever reason they're not doing it or they're citing some reasons, yeah, as we said, like they need to really consult a lawyer who is specialized in MCS Act, and then things can be taken forward. But there is no reason why managing committee can sit on it, and the time limit, as you're saying, 4 or 5 years.
No, Sudhinji, sorry. I will change your thought. Who is sitting? It is the claimant who is not coming forward with the necessary documents to the managing committee. So, Uma
Okay.
said we'll send them a reminder, maybe 2 reminders, maybe 3 reminders, because the problem is this will fall under the purview of the non-occupation type of a situation, wherein for an NOC charge on the service charges you have to charge 10% extra in the maintenance. Now that the owner of the property is deceased and there is no owner who is alive, it is equivalent for a person who is occupying the property who is not the owner. So it becomes equivalent to non-occupation, where charge the 10% as per the clause recently amended. 10% of the service charge is additional in the maintenance. So we are not doing that because they are the legal heirs who are paying the regular maintenance by virtue of being a legal heir, but they are not producing the document.
Okay, I just want to correct you. Yeah, this NOC, what you said, 10% of the service charges, only if the property is let out. If somebody of their family members are staying, no NOC can be charged.
Not denying. The point is that the owner has expired and there is no owner available actually. So it is, I mean, it's a question tomorrow that somebody may ask, the registrar may ask the committee, and I don't want the committee to come into a problem. That's the reason we will send reminders. I'm agreeing to what ma'am is saying, and I thank.
Yeah, you please send the reminders, and if there are any and also I request you to bring it to the AGM's purview, saying that this person has done it, so that let every member know, minuted in the AGM also. This is once again to safeguard the interest of the managing committee.
Thank you.
In the AGM.
Yeah, just a few questions. It may appear a little silly also. The first thing is like the bylaws which I'm having with me. I'm having so many bylaws. I really don't know which is the latest. 2014 is the latest. Okay, when you mentioned 154B, so I was just opening the bylaw and seeing that 1504B in my bylaw is on conveyance deed,
Okay,
it is not
Amar
matching actually.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think we got the confusion. I think we have created that confusion.
No,
Ma'am,
the
the 154.
Yeah, 154B is the new amendment.
Okay.
Which we are, yeah, it is that we are having. Amar Patra sir, I will send you the copy of this.
Yeah. So it is a new
उसका
2019. Yeah, I got it.
उसका तो अभी bylaws नहीं बनाया है.
Okay.
But it is available in the in the normal booklet form. You can just actually download it from the internet.
And 154B you will not find in our regular bylaw because it is not at all there.
Correct. I got it. Okay, my second question is earlier when the associate member, he used to fill a form, probably it is form 5, I think.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
5. Yeah. Now, after this 2019 change about this associate membership, is he
Right.
required to fill the same form 5 or just an application?
No, they
Just-
have to fill the same form 5, but earlier the rule was he or she should be a joint holder in the property. But now it is
Okay.
not that. The same form is applicable, sir.
Okay, fine. The last question, like you have always been mentioning about the provisional member. Okay, let us say this member submits that nomination form and he is the nominated member. So after we approve this in the managing committee, behind the share certificate, we'll put his name and in the bracket we'll write provisional member. Correct?
Right,
Yeah.
right.
So, but he is doing the process of getting the succession certificate, which may take 1 year or whatever, and he's got a probated will, and still he has to get a succession certificate. After he submits all the documents,
Right.
again below what I had written earlier, name and provisional member, then what I write, actual member or what I write?
No, just write the name. You don't need to write
Okay.
anything.
So
Just put the
member-
name. You don't need to. Yeah, he's just
Okay,
a member.
member
That's it.
through succession certificate so provided, something like that, I'll write?
No, that
No,
you
no,
mention in the I and J register. In the share certificate, you
okay.
don't need to mention anything. In the
Okay,
I and J register, you can write in the remarks column because your share certificate actually doesn't have that much space also.
Yeah.
Sir, I'll tell you,
Thank
I
you,
mean,
thank
this
you.
why we have to mention this, provisional member in the brackets. It is only to qualify that he is not the member. Okay, he's not
Yeah,
what you call legally he is not the owner of the property. He is only a
Yeah,
caretaker. For that reason, we have
Yeah.
put it so that there
But
is no
he-
misuse. There is no misuse in
yeah.
terms of selling the property or taking a loan against the property, because some guys do that, right? Because मेरा नाम अभी endorse किया गया है, then they will take the loan.
The provisional member, can he vote in the elections?
Yeah, he has voting rights.
Okay.
I will send you this new amended provisions.
Thank you.
You can see in
Amal
that.
ji,
Yeah. Thank you so much to all the. It was
Yes,
very,
Amal
very
ji.
great, helpful. Very thanks to all of you.
Sunil ji, can we declare the webinar as complete?
यस आज के वेबिनार में आज इतना ही। और दोस्तों, इनविटेशन चाहिए, मैं अपना नंबर शेयर किया हूँ, मेरे मोबाइल नंबर पर व्हाट्सएप करें, आपको तमाम पीपीटी और ये हमारे जो इनविटेशन है वीकली वेबिनार के, वो मिलते रहेंगे। और जैसा कि मैंने शुरुआत किया था वेबिनार में, कमला हैरिस से शुरुआत किया था, मैं उमा जी के पास आया, तो उमा जी का जो नारी शक्ति, नारी गौरव कर रही है, विधान रच रही है, नए नए इतिहास रच रही है, नए अचीव कर रही है, तो एक नारी को बुलाऊंगा मैं, हमारे साथ है, कि उनसे पूछेंगे हम कि आज का वेबिनार, हमारे उमा वर्धन जी का वेबिनार कैसा लगा। एडवोकेट उमा पिल्ले जी हैं हमारे साथ। उमा पिल्ले जी, आप अनम्यूट करें अपने आप को। उमा पिल्ले, एडवोकेट उमा पिल्ले, रिएक्ट करें, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कैसा लगा आज का वेबिनार।
Today webinar was fantastic. बहुत ही अच्छा था. Mata Rani's blessings, God's grace. It was beautiful, excellent, up to the mark, ma'am. And sir, it was a fantastic webinar. Thank you, sir, for organizing such a brilliant, wonderful webinar. And by God's grace, even I have gained so much knowledge. I mean, really, it was fantastic. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू उमा जी,
You're
उमा
welcome.
पिल्ले जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you.
तो आज के लिए इतना ही। उमा वर्धन जी, सुधींद्र जी, आपका खूब खूब
Yes, sir.
शुक्रिया, रागास की पूरी टीम का, महासेवा की तरफ से और एमएनएस मीडिया की तरफ से खूब खूब शुक्रिया,
Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you
all
so
of you.
much. Thank you, Prabhu sir. Thank you, Sunil ji.
थैंक यू आप सभी पार्टिसिपेट का और लाइव जो देख रहे दोस्तों यूट्यूब का, उन सभी को आपके दोस्त और होस्ट की तरफ से धन्यवाद। और आप इसी तरह से नॉलेज शेयरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म में आते रहें और नॉलेज अवेयर करिए, एजुकेटेड होइए इस कोरोना काल में। कोरोना तो चला जाएगा, लेकिन आपका जो नॉलेज है, आपका जो ज्ञान है, वो हमेशा रहेगा। तो आपको अपना एजुकेटेड बनिए, एजुकेट बनेंगे तो आगे काम आएगा। तो आपके दोस्त और होस्ट को दीजिए इजाजत। नमस्कार, जय
Thank
हिंद,
you.
जय महाराष्ट्र। मिलेंगे फिर बुधवार को, इस वेडनेसडे को। थैंक यू वेरी मच।